right people. So this is what I just found a couple of a day or two ago on Copart. It's a 2000 MPV Mazda wagon, and it's going for a buy it now price of $775, and I'm just about to buy it. It has a damaged fender, and I've lost a couple of vehicles lately that were probably good buys, and I'm like, what am I doing? Am I doing this or not? So I'm like, let me just go ahead. It's 165,000 miles, which is a lot, but the vehicle has to look good to me, and if it's really good and I can put this together and nobody wants it, I'll just keep it. It has to be good enough for me to keep it, for me to want to invest. And if I like it enough, I know I got good taste, somebody else would like it. How much you think it's going to go for? You know, it's worth $180 on a Carfax, if you ask me. But I'm about to pay what? $775 for it, plus fees, which will probably be what, 1,000 plus. We're looking at 1,200, 1,300 by the time this thing gets home. Then I have to repair it and spray it and everything. By the time I'm done with this thing, hopefully I can sell it for 25. I don't know, but confirm purchase. Are they for real? No longer eligible to buy for today. What the freaking hell is happening? Seriously. Wow. Hmm. So what? Because it's Sunday, they won't let me buy the vehicle. Are they for real? So I am no longer to buy for today, or I mean, what the hell is that about? Hmm. I guess I'll just have to bid on it. Maybe maybe somebody. Maybe somebody has bid high on it already. I don't know. Okay, let's bid 700 and see. Bid now. $650. This lot has already been sold. Oh, wow. It says I've already been sold. Congratulations, you've won this vehicle. Payments due to make a payment. Wow. So it actually submitted it, but it was giving me an error. Okay. Holy moly. Why is that much that I have to pay? Okay. So this is how much I owe now. Already. That looks like a hell of a lot, doesn't it? Okay. So we bought it sight unseen, farmers insurance or state farm or whatever. And we'll have to ship it. Wow, it's almost 1,500 already with shipping. Okay. We'll see.